TV ni wega nontu wakona kanya kurumira ntito cietu tha mugwanja inkugwate ugeni niombitagwa Christine Wanjeru. Tukemberiria ntitoni cietu ni ati mubunge wa Egembe Central ni Wedan Kiri na Bithurite mombete gucokia imwe ciendethia iria iraimbie ni maitha kuma gicugoni kiu. Nawe mwana wa miaka 14 aratigirwe na banjo cia mwiri ni nyuma ya kurathwa ni maitha na mathi na ng'ombe 50 mubunge uyu na acokete akenera kana nkinyagia acokia nkatho nontu wa Professor Kithure Kindiki kwithirwa agicokua kirirwa ngirwa ukareni baria augite ni marai na mibango imingi muno ya gukabanira na maitha unturia kugatha inogu ena witikio umunene montu maumonthe makethirwa amagikinyanira.
Mbele buru ankwenda kuleta pole cia nyingi sana kiri antu bakira ngondu bonde monso ke family sira itete endwa bao veli to be precise barabe bombete ku kurawani ando na kinyanki wa pole ke barabo miete na nke batakia kwigiri kabari ba hospitali na boyele nchokerie njie siwe tunkalo baina komandi ya Chelimo na njie siu fraternity onde no tobangwera turombera kulitabo tuko ya wakisha tukurwa na ando ba umwanga toshokia ng'ombe ira iretete kinyothe kurari na manjerui na bakurawa itwashume yokumbekana na murungo te tomba kulika ng'ombe yu ankwenda wakishira antu betu ba Igembe Central eri barone bifaru byetu bitumika kurwa na ndui birendo mbere kuromba na nde bagishire ndowe kurwa na ndui itethira atugerera kurwabo na bagishira ndo bakira ngondu come next financial year tweta ku renovate akongolo kenda tomba kureterwa personnel ya njeshi ira twarombete ko tukareta GSU ala akongolo na twame renovate next financial year. Next financial year pia barabara kuma akongolo mwanga isiolo nkamethia mwako ni mobeto mwithia mwanga kinya augithagene kantu arimba mera akongolo wu na inde imete mwate na isiolo ko tukawate isiolo kenda kuthwa kwina accessibility na usalama umba kuonekana ko tunkiambiria kwira antu beto ni kwamba ituko demand ke thirikari batu ekindekia thirikari His Excellency kubuta mawaziri itwa murombere twina honorable Taitumu atucogire kindiki no ndito kumyango yaritite na naombero tuthigire na mucokia ko tunakwenda wakishira antu betu no ndukindiki twa bangite mikakati mingi muno kurwa na mandu ba na ya mbere etani bakwoni twarwite kiasi kiasa na mwanga tukombo cinda nkome ici kuyo tuya kinya thai tukendelea kuranwe na itukuromba na iturombete na itumwirite na kinya raisi tumwirite itukuromba operation ithithike eitera kibake ng'ombe cia operation ikathithwa ikachokwa cionde na kinya cia boi kuoywa antu bara bakira kuyo ntwa kumya baia ringi kairwa na rika yo akona thina kinyabo ko kinya thai nyura ndira bugikire raisi na bangite na kindiki na ekwa ya ngwa hand kubudu operation ekurika ng'ombe cietu na kenda tuthire wamba once and for all.
Harimu kumantere cia Egembe South masukuru cia mawathe ni maurite thirikari ithirwe ikiongerera mbesha iria cithagirwa igitengerwa cana icia mawathe iria cithagirwa iri ciringi 2,000 mariuga mbia inu itikwegana na muno nkuruki inu ntubwa into imingitha inogu kwithirwa cina agoro inene maretio marikiri macindano ma mithako ya ciana ino cia mawathe kire cukuru ya primary ya Kathima kuruki ni mauritie thirikari ithirwe ikiongerera arimu na mu aciari maria mena ciana cina mawathe emicii kurua kuibira kiri masukuru
kuri na wongereku bwana baria bethero bari na mawathe cukuru-ini ciao gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Igembe South arimu bao baria athira imathina ja maingi bethero bagikurukira ndiria bari na anaba na tonto bu bariromba thirikari kiri mbeca iria yejanaga cia kubamenyera ciongerwe ngiri iting'ana thau kuguanithenwe na maubatu jaria anaba bari najo.
Challenges ira tunacho kidogo ikwithirwa arimu tutina arimu bakwana ki masukuru yetu na TSC ni endelete kunenkarira arimu na itugwitikia mwaka jukirira tukethwa twina arimu bakwana bungi nabu challenge rero ni aciari kwithora batikumba kumenyerana ba nonto mwana wina special needs mwana wina mahitaji ya maingi so itukuromba thirikari yo ni ongere capitation ireja na special needs yongereke kenda na babomba kwithwa begorero bila bakwenda not for example tukweja na wheelchair imwe is more than 20,000 na mwana aingirigire school tumba kugura na muciari atumba kwigurira other things is surgery mwana na kwenda surgery school tumba kurira surgery mwana
turi cukuru ni Akathima primary kuria bacemanitie micethone ana baba na bio mwanya mantu ni yegi matinda kana mithako na aciari baria bari na mwana ataukiri bari menyithio bakamwithania ibamurete cukuru ni ciao cia special na agakuria kiewa kiria ari nakio
burangi ndingiomba kwira community kana aciari ana bara bena mawathe ibaretwo cukuru nonto cukuru nio baomba kuona kithomo na bakathithia michetho ira yabatetheria ki herothio na njira ya kuthithia mazoezi na zaidi kinya michetho ni imwe ya gitengo kiria ikuimizwa muno thai ni kithomo kia CBC so ni njira imwe ya kurita talent na ana ba ni gifted kana bena talent mwanya kwa tukabaitha na umicii
tuure tunawana tutoka na musega mubira
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, cukuru ni Akathima primary wandi ya Maua, Gembe South, County ya Meru.
Nyuma ya Weru TV kwithirwa ikimurika rugono rwa ciana cina nyonta ya kithomo indi ciethirwa itena munyaka wa kuwata kithomo kiu na njira iria ibaterie ni ciana cia mutawa shauri yako ntere cia mutuati ni iria cithiritwe ikirasimika kwithomithia na muno nkuruki cia uma cukuru kiogoro ikithirwa ikithie ibarua nikenda gucuba gintu gia gwikira anda ciana ino riu ni ciumbite kugwata utethio kumakire antu mawendi umwe ni antu baria matetheretie na into cia bata mwanya iribo irio nikenda gutigira ciana ino ni igwikara bwega macukuru ni maoretie thirikari kuraithagiria muno ciana ta ino indiria ikunenkanira mbeca cia mathomo kana basari na tegutigaga ciana imwe nyuma nkuruki ni makwendekithia tauru cia otheru cithiro ikinenkanirwa kiri macukuru
ikibaro beto otugo nikenda bona abya kurea na nkuruki bya kwibaiga acukuru nonto bakwithirwa batwikite aciari bongo babongwa nonto bakara kinyamuta wa mabanda urore taoni ya Mutuati rokomekana hata shauri yako nonto bakwithirwa kwenda kuthoma no mwanka baitome baruta kibaro kionda kia bakona nikenda abathina mbe na kithomo okiao ndorero gonoro mwanya twiriga kurutha kiri TV ino yetu ya Weru TV rukonenie na ana nkurukia 30 babaithagirwo bakithoma cukuru ya Nkamathi na abaithagirwo baikara muta wa Mutuati wa shauri yako indi no kothite na mbe na guciara matunda untu bravo tumite anto bagwendi boya kuma ikundi mwanya batongoletwe ni Nicholas Nyaga wa watoto wasome initiative bakinyite ntura ino na kubaletera abya kuria mwanya na nkuruki bena ntuma akinyakiri utongoria bathina mbe na kwibanga ni utigira ana bondi bakuthoma bwega
na bado tukuya na ujumbe fadha kile ana babe toto vera there is hope. It doesn't matter where they have come from, it doesn't matter zile changamoto wanapitia, kuna hope tukua kithomo mbere na uri nimejitolea na mwalimu Jane na Mr. Mwenda uteka nagatira chukuru ntekumenya lazima nitajua sababu na Mungu akiwa mbele tutakuja tutatua hiyo sababu.
Tuina governor, tuina MCAs, tuina members of parliament. My call muno raba kuthithia yontu sherira tukuibu ikithithwa nara parliament ki National Assembly. Twaromba kethro imbecira cia na in various department cia kuya na basari. Isi consolidated in one place. In one place in the national government. Beche ika consolidate amwe thirikari ikethie kithomo free. Beche isi atuma machukuru. Kwa tuika ana betu yonto twana tutu nini tutikuingwa chukuru.
Parliament to pass a law so that sanitary towels are free for all school going learners. So that we don't have girls using socks, we don't have girls using handkerchiefs, We don't have girls using mattresses. Kindly, it is not good when you're seated up there and people are suffering, they are losing their dignity and they are losing their confidence.
Panabo baliuga tika barutite nonto obaye nabyo obingi muno no ende nonto bakwethire baringithitwe ikenyamara kira na baba ethire tobakurukira
ndaibwa ndaringithwa nkoro sana ndeta ndona chore bakwa na ndabera we can be able to put a smile on the face. Tunaweza kuweka tabasamu kwa sura za hao watoto ambao ni watoto wetu, ambao ni watoto Mwenyezi Mungu ameleta kwa hii dunia kwa sababu fulani. Ndio wakatuma hii pesa. Hii pesa sio yetu sisi peke yetu Father, ni ya marafiki wengi ambao ningependa kuchukua nafasi hii pia kuwashukuru. Nontuba kuomba kufanikisha mtuko enarua.
Torita mtu kintu kidogo kire nakyo kenda at least tumbo ba support. Bomba kwithwa bakona abye kurea. Nontu ngwete ke bakona abye kurea bakomba kwithwa batotera skuru.
Let us come together, even at individual level. You don't have to be in a group to share the little you have. You can do it even at a personal level.
Na bara bangi bakomba no yukinya kana kamoga kathomithia. Ukatho Murungu akutharimite ou. Katubatetherie twinthia twatethererue. Ukauga no baku ake ketha Murungu nakunengerete. Tethia kinya babangi umbe kubatethia.
Kuma mutu ategebe North, Betan Class, Chabare.
Rwangi rwa mbia ni rukwendekithia kwithirwa kwina gucokanira gwa ukiri anthini ya Kenya kiri thirikari cia matura iribo kaunti ya Nairobi ni kenda gucokaniria uchumi wa nthi ya Kenya makiuga kuma maandamano ma Gen Z makwambiria uchumi wa Kenya ni withiritwe ugicoka nyuma banene. Ni baria abunge methiritwe magisukuma minister munene niwe Musalia Mudavadi na nkijega PS wa mbia Chris Kiptono ntwa montu monya iribo montu ma ogoti na kiari ya minister munene na ugite kane kiritibwira nekire Akenya montu ni mathiete na mbere obo kubateria kiri administration de.
Auditor General is doing a very good job under the circumstances as an office. Every quarter or every year we have audit reports of how different government entities are spending their monies. I want to ask whether as a government we are taking keen interest on the audit reports or there are just other reports and what actions are being done. Because as we talk about budget cuts, we have to talk about corruption and wastage as one of the things that has brought us to where we are.
When Chair of Finance and Economic Planning Kimani Kuria came before this committee, he indicated that he wanted some budget under Treasury and KRA that will allow a study be done to show now the sensitivity of either higher taxes on revenue collection. And I would really want to know whether this has been done in the past or it is this time that Treasury is waking up to realizing that more taxation does not necessarily mean additional revenue to the country.
One might want to say we don't need a finance bill. We needed the additional revenue because this year is different from last year. The children that have gone to school this year are more, so we're required to give more money to the children who have gone to school and other needs because of the increase in population. So I think what I will only plead is we need to find ways to get back quickly so that we collect the revenues that we require so that our country can move in a normal way and we do well like the other countries, because I think we are a work in progress as a country and we are a great country, potential, with a lot of resilience even with the challenges we have.
We are truly living in completely uncharted waters, and therefore this calls for very tough measures. I think, let me just put it on record, that I'm acting in so many ministries, but I want to assure Kenyans I'm not earning any acting allowance. The withdrawal of the 2024 finance bill forced the government to forego an estimated revenue amount of 344.3 billion. The government will nonetheless continue the implementation of the revenue-raising measures contained in the Finance Act of 2023.
Also, Your Excellency, we are cutting this budget across all levels of government and across all departments of government. We are actually looking at the equitable share, which is likely also to have a haircut of 20 billion. The parliament itself, Parliament is losing 3.7 billion Kenya shillings. And also the national government is losing. Every other person has to contribute to this deficit. We had hoped that after passing the expenditure side of the budget, then the budget will be funded. But the Kenyan people told us we need to do something, our things differently. And therefore, we then had to make an arrangement where our revenue side of the budget matches with the expenditure side.
Atuke kanyaga konogo kabanini.
Unatafuta hoteli tulivu ya kifahari na ya kisasa ambapo unaweza kufurahia likizo pamoja na familia au marafiki? Basi karibu Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa. Tunapatikana katika barabara ya kutoka Meru kuelekea Isiolo, karibu na maili 7, takriban kilomita 11 kabla ya kufika mji wa Isiolo. Utapata uwanja mzuri na mpana unaoweza kutoshea hadi watu 5,000 kwa hafla zozote za nje kama vile harusi na mikutano, vyumba vya mikutano vya kisasa, kumbi nzuri za hafla kama vile sherehe za siku ya kuzaliwa, sehemu za burudani za nje kama vile nature walk trails, ziplining, swimming pool, camping na mahali pa watoto pa kuchezea, vyumba vya kulala vya kifahari na vyakula vya aina zote. Kwa wale walio na mikutano au kongamano, kuna chai na vitafunio, chakula cha mchana, chai ya alasiri na mtandao wa haraka. Tuna ofa maalum ya bidhaa teule, burudani ya karaoke kutoka kwa Wanji the Songbird kila Ijumaa, Jumamosi na Jumapili jioni na mengine mengi. Kwa habari zaidi, tembelea tovuti yetu www.kisimaniresort.com au tupigie simu kwa nambari 0742 205 295 au 0733 570 530. Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa Limited blends nature with modern hospitality.
Furahia na Star Times. Enjoy our amazing channels with the best dramas and telenovelas daily. Discover your love language.
Will you marry me?
Words of affirmation.
Sure, I like you. Because you're unlike everyone. You are my baby.
Quality time.
Life isn't worth living without you.
Receiving gifts.
Thank you.
Acts of service. And physical touch to build a love that lasts. Furahia na Star Times. Buy the DTH decoder for only 2,999 shillings and top up 200 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the Smart Bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go, anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Ongera nko rumori rwimbaimbe Wero FM 96.4 rumuri rwa Ameru umamundune ejawerune.
Nilikutengenezea kitu.
From different worlds, come a trio with a shared destiny.
Ikulinde na ikuongoze.
Where will the fashion runway take them?
Mimi nitachunga maua yetu vizuri sana hadi wewe narudi.
Family business is everything.
The beauty and the beats. Shanga, Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. on Maisha Magic Plus.
Warengi nkugwate ogeni tukethie na mbere sinitaukia omtate na umiritie na kuga Rais Ruto na baterie kuthikiriria mbeo mbithi mamethiriitio makiandamana na kubingia aburia makwenda ta rais kuringana buria katiba ekuga na tikwendekithia andu aria gatagati kabwe na atongoria mangi magi siasa nontu ogutebubuka thina iria iribotha ino Kenya.
He cannot act on the whim and out of anger and frustration. He must follow the law. Unfortunately, the president did not express himself as a person who understands that his powers are heavily limited by Kenya's very prescriptive constitution, including the Bill of Rights. The president does not have any room to govern this country without reference to the constitution and the law. Even the immunity from prosecution for criminal activities, which he enjoys under Article 143 of the Constitution, does not shield him from crimes for which the president may be prosecuted under any treaty to which Kenya is party and which prohibits such impunity. Hence, the president must know that he will be held personally liable for any violations of the Constitution and the law by the security forces he is threatening to unleash against the peaceful demonstrators. There is no demand which the Gen Z are making which requires political solutions through dialogue. Hence, the president and those demanding to hold dialogue with the Gen Z demonstrators are backing up the wrong tree and must be stopped in their tracks. The president should stop wasting our time, beating about the bush and talking about meaningless dialogue, and do the obvious by taking decisive administrative action under the Constitution and the law to address the demands made by the Gen Z demonstrators. If the president refuses to do so, then he and his administration have no legitimacy to stay on and must leave office. Simply, it means they are unable to govern this country. He should know that he will not be in power forever, and if he breaks the law, it will catch up with him when he leaves office. Very, very, very many presidents have gone to jail in this world, and so he will not be an exception. So the only safety net he has is to rule by the law. If he breaks the law, he can enjoy the immunity for the time he's in power, but when he leaves power, he'll have to answer for all these violations, and going to jail is one of them.
Biashara mamira kuma Nairobi ni makenerete gutarwa kwa Eric Muriithi Mugata minister wa runshi kiri thirikari ya Rais Ruto na mariugari ukwina birigiro umunene wa thina ya runshi kwithirwe kithira Rwanda arwa miru makiuragia Eric Muriithi gutigira na kuruta wira wa webo kubaterie nkuruki ni monekanite kurega kwiganirwa ni moma a minister mara Rais Ruto ashoketie obishini.
Endia bamera mujwa Nairobi na balaba umwiti kaunti ya Meru ni bakathite Rais William Ruto nonto bagutara Eric Muriithi Muga kuma Yembe ta waziri wa roji kirikanjwa ya mawaziri bajero. Endia baba bamera balugalu kwina Weru kiri thine wa gibo wa roji thine ria ithirito kinyire ntere imwe ja kaunti ya Meru.
Tucoke nkatho muno turi abiashara bamera baba ya Nairobi nonto akwithura no tucoke sana nonto wa president yetu William Samoei Ruto nonto akwithura autotethia atwa kijana mdogo atwa kijana mdogo kuturitira ngui na ibo turenda na omba kuturitira ngui ira omba kuiria Kenya yonthe agakwa ni miru akasangurwa nonto akwithura anto babainge iba kwenda roi na tugwitha irrigation nonto akwithura twina roi
ngiaria mbere ndiaria ya Musoro family ya mubiashara umwe Nairobi na ngua Ruto bwo uretheria ni bwega sana na Murungu akutharime.
Endia baba bamera leo ni barute bunge nene kuthuja mawaziri baba na mpwe na gwitukire Kimurithi kenda rutira Kenya Ngugi. Aidha ni barute Murithi kweumia na kurutira Kenya Ngugi bula kubaterie.
Baadhi tu mero musima etukuwa bwega sana nondo bwa tuthurira Eric tondu aino waziri wetu omwero na etukuromba mbunge emukurukangia haraka kenda mbao twenjira ndoye na gwetu mero baadhi mero tona wakaturindo bibinge muno twera wandu esingei lakini gwetu mero soni nyinge itendo soni ya mutuate ukaweta mutuate nala andu ba mutuate nala gweta nyuma bona rwe karaene bona rwe karaene ukabauria rwe nimi batemenya kwa una tweto kuromba bwana Eric Murithi woya giteke bwambara tukwamera batu andu bantonyere ukwamera andu begembe South na umete ukaolwa batu sama kinya batu tutena ndo Kenya mzima orutera Kenya mzima ngowe mwanga Kenya ewerwe oya urato weretwe lakini kuringana muranguise enkomengo we ukarita na ukarita ngoenja erayomba atotethia netethia Meru.
Eric aomba kuruta nguo boya na kinya eta mbungene abunge beto bombe kumukulukia kena tumba kwethwa twena keni okewa tuna twanengero Meru renge ya kombo otuinua onto tukwenda irimarerea na itutumera na ke boy na bionde kintu yake onto tukwenda kana kenda kana kero kenda kombo kura boya.
Amwe gwa biashara baba bala ni Gen Z ndibamenyete Rais William Ruto ni gucokia mawaziri ba mukire kanju ino enjero mawaziri bala bare kire kanju enkoro onto bala budite kinyume na waligiro ba Gen Z ni balute Rais William Ruto kusensia murunga mojo.
Kile tu Ruto amefanya kizuri ni kuchagua Eric Murithi, hakuna kingine. Hiyo ingine kwa andi zile tulikuwa tumepeana kama Gen Z tulikuwa tumesema hivi Ruto aondoe wale wavizandi wote na asiwarundishe tena. Sasa kurundisha ni kumaanisha hakuna kitu ya maana tumetufanyia. Ruto still tuko na bando na kwa tudhima ate wita ninora wa nanchi bakwenda aenda kutangura wengwa kuibwa. Bwana president lero gwira ntubumwe wewe ya unontoba wa wananchi na ubati kuthikira sauti ya wananchi itokuibo bwana ntoba kudura Eric ya kijana mdogo fresha lakini barabangi urarisawe kure batu bando tuti comfortable na bona tuti kupenda obisine turenda antu baba yaro bati corrupt na antu batari obisine na baba ari obisine bengi tuti upenda obona obisine kwa hivyo bando president otete rage barabara to kwenda
oteme akoruta ndive yenjaro wekera mutongi na yo ndive yenkoro rede batu to korombo ketura babange Mr. Ruto as our president etokuwa totekwenda kuona mothio ya mbere yario please.
Kuma muji munene Nairobi Mbeta Anthony Rangi wa Kathenya.
Niwega nonto wakona kanya kurumira ntito cietu cingira njira nkinyaniro ni cia Kenya thaa 1:30 kiogoro withira wina muthenya umwega mbitagwa Kristi.